Welcome you all for today's webinar. Our topic today is faceless assessment paradigm shift in engaging with taxpayers. The faceless assessment scheme aims to eliminate the human interface between the taxpayer and the income tax department. Under the system, appeals will be randomly allotted to any officer in the country. The identity of the officer deciding the appeal will remain unknown. The taxpayer will not be required to visit the income tax officer or the officer, and the appellate decision will be team-based and reviewed. However, exceptions include serious fraud, major tax evasions, Black Money Act, Benami Property Act, etc. While launching the new tax scheme on 13th August this year, to honor and encourage honest taxpayers of the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said one thing: the platform for transparent taxation honoring the honest offers big reforms such as faceless assessment, faceless appeal, and taxpayers charter. Shift has been towards rationalization, simplification, greater transparency, ease of managing tax issues, and creating an overall taxpayer-friendly ecosystem. The faceless e-assessment system for income tax, which is currently being piloted, is a milestone initiative towards achieving the desired goals. So before starting our discussion, let me introduce Sri D. Murali Mohan Garu, Additional Director General, Press Information Bureau and Regional Outreach Bureau, Andhra Pradesh, who will be moderating the meet. Sri Murali Mohan Garu, an IAS officer of 1991 batch, assumed charge in August 2019 as ADG Region, Andhra Pradesh. Earlier, he served as Additional Secretary, Energy Department in combined Andhra Pradesh. He also served as the Managing Director, Sports Authority of Andhra Pradesh during 2004. Later, he assumed the charge as Director News, Doordarshan Kendra, Hyderabad in 2011. On promotion, he assumed charge as Additional Director General in PIB, Kerala before coming to Andhra Pradesh. Sri Murali Mohan Garu hails from a family of civil servants. His father, D. Ramakrishna Garu, is a former IAS officer who served as secretary in combined Andhra Pradesh government. And Sri Murali Mohan Garu's brothers are also topmost civil servants in Government of India. Today we have with us our guest of honor, Sri M. Bhupal Reddy Garu, Principal Commissioner of Income Tax Regional E-Assessment Center, Hyderabad. Sri Bhupal Reddy Garu belongs to IRS 1988 batch and worked in various capacities in the Department of Income Tax in Telugu states, as well as Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Delhi. He is also the Honorary President of Mahatma Gandhi Temple, situated on Hyderabad-Vijayawada Highway. We also have two eminent speakers in Sri Y. Surya Chandra Rao Garu, Chartered Accountant, and Sri D.V. Subramaniam Garu, Income Tax Officer, who would be throwing more light on the topic of our webinar today. Once again, I welcome you all to this webinar on faceless assessment, paradigm shift in engaging with taxpayers, and request Sri Murali Mohan Garu to guide us through with his introductory remarks. Thank you, sir.
Respected sir, respected Bhupal Reddy sir, I don't want to stress my ignorance in this too much. So I just handed over to you to explain to us what exactly is this faceless scheme and educate us, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Bhupal Reddy sir, please unmute your mic.
Sir. Sir, you please unmute.
Right. Good morning, friends. At the outset, let me thank Mr. Murali Mohan, ADG PIB, and the entire team of PIB Vijayawada for making the officers from the department and also eminent speakers from auditors fraternity represented by Sri Surya Chandra Rao Garu to participate in today's webinar. Welcome, Sri Surya Chandra Rao sir, for this webinar. I thank Mr. D.V. Subramaniam, ITO, Headquarters, Office of the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax Regional Assessment, for suggesting the apt name for today's topic, and also for agreeing to make the PPT presentation explaining the intricacies of the scheme. Friends, as the name of today's topic suggests, there is a shift in the approach by the department towards the scheme of assessments, from interface to faceless, from individual officer based to team based assessment. Earlier only one officer used to do it. Now the unit as a team will do the assessment, which in a way minimize the scope of subjectivity, paving the way towards 100% objectivity. Transparency, efficiency, and accountability are the hallmarks of this faceless e-assessment. Issuance of the draft assessment order by one assessment unit, again I'm stressing one assessment unit, not officer. Causing of inquiries, field verifications by the verification, again unit. Making use of the expertise in technical units. Giving opportunity to the assessee to explain his viewpoint before making any addition or disallowance. Scrutiny of assessees objections by another unit called the review unit. Constant monitoring and final approval of the assessment order by a senior officer of the level of range head, means joint commissioner or additional commissioner, whosoever is in charge. Friends, what all that an assessee can expect from income tax department as part of this, let us short it as TEA, T, transparency, efficiency, and accountability. हम चाय पीते हैं ना, चाय का टाइम, T, TEA, T. These are three words of this scheme are incorporated in this scheme of faceless e-assessment by making the optimum utilization of the computer network. Friends, the means should justify the end, said Mahatma Gandhi. When objective assessment is the goal, the transparent objective means to reach that goal have been made part of this scheme.